Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I love all of the variety that you get when you have an espresso machine. I was really wanting to try out a flavored espresso, but I didn't want the flavor to be overpowering. I wanted it to be done right. So of course, I chose the Nespresso variety pack. It comes with 3 different flavors, all of them delicious. What I love about these espressos is that the flavor is not overpowering. It's there, but you can still taste the espresso. Now my favorite is the Caramel Crème Brulée. It's got that creamy, buttery, sweet flavor to it, but just a hint. It makes the perfect Americano. I don't feel like I need to add any cream or any sweetener to it. Now this isn't to say that I don't love the Cocoa Truffle or the vanilla. Those are super good, but the Caramel Brulée is definitely a favorite in my house. If you've been looking for some flavored espresso, you want to switch things up, and you want to make sure you get the quality espresso and not just a bunch of fake flavor, then definitely go with the Nespresso OriginalLine flavored espressos. But that's just my point of view.